During the winter months, drivers often lock back their windshield wipers to prevent snow and ice from accumulating on them. The wipers of the 2019 Mazda 3 lay slightly below the hood line. This helps aerodynamically by reducing the amount of wind drag as air travels over the hood while driving. Putting the wipers into service position is a three-step process. 1. Put the car into accessory mode by double pressing the start engine button without your foot on the brake. 2. Turn the car off. 3. Put the wipers into the mist position twice within 30 seconds. This places the wipers into service position and allows you to lock them back afterwards. Once again, the steps are as follows. 1. Turn the car on, also known as accessory mode. 2. Turn the car off. 3. Put the wipers into mist position twice within 30 seconds. To return the wipers to their normal operating position, simply turn the car on and put the wipers into mist position once. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and happy driving.